If your hair is short and have refused to grow, you've been stuck at same hair length, try this hair growth oil. If your hair is shedding non-stop, are you experiencing postpartum hair loss? You just don't understand your hair keeps shedding and shedding and shedding, try this oil. If your hair is not full, your hair is limp, or your hair is thin, try this oil. Say that I told you this. This oil is magic in a bottle. You need to try this. You need to see the wonders of this oil. Guys, do not joke with this particular DIY. If your hair is shedding, breaking, stunted, name it, you need to try this oil. Do not waste any time. Go grab all the ingredients and make this particular hair growth oil. The ingredients are something that you can find around you. You don't need to break a bank to buy them. They are very cheap. You can buy them in quantities as little as 50 grams. Yes, that's how simple and how cheap these herbs are. You don't need to buy 1 kg before you can use herbs. And if you're in a country where you have them in trees, you can go plug them and use them to your benefit. So without wasting much of your time, let's get to the video. All you need is just a jar. Make sure the jar is clean. Make sure you sterilize it. After washing, you rinse it and place it in warm water. Allow it to air dry and you have sterilized your jar. First ingredient is sunflower oil. Please feel free to use sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, olive oil. These are amazing oils. And if you like coconut oil, you can use that. Measure out about 250 ml of this oil, any of the oil that I just mentioned. But if you have sunflower oil, you can use it. Just measure that and then transfer into your jar. And then moving on to our next ingredient. My first ingredient for this recipe is hibiscus. Guys, you guys know how much I love hibiscus. Hibiscus is one of my best herbs. Not that is my best, I have other bests, but it is one of those best herbs and favorite herbs that I love to use. Hibiscus is amazing. For you to see my hair dark as my hair is without any dye, it is the work of hibiscus. You guys know that from the inception of this channel, I have been using hibiscus in my hair. I've been consistent. So if you don't take anything out of this video, just take out that hibiscus have done me a lot of good. So measure out 1 tablespoon of that and then transfer into the jar. Don't mind that I put it in a saucepan. Sorry about that, but it's actually 1 tablespoon. So I love to put it in these beautiful bowls, beautiful small sauce bowls that I just love it. It makes my video lovely. So my second ingredient is black tea. Black tea, in the sense that if you don't have this particular black tea, please use the Lipton label tea. Okay, measure out that in 1 tablespoon. Our last herb for this video is henna powder, and I measured that out in 1 tablespoon as well, which I transferred into the jar. Next, you have to stir this vigorously and then set up a DIY double boiler method. The DIY double boiler method is basically water in a pan, in a pot, in a saucepan, whatever you have. Allow it to be brought to a boil, and then place the jar in it and allow it to sit for 15 to 20 minutes. You know the drill. We've been doing this all along. So allow it to sit there for 15 to 20 minutes, and once is time, bring this down. You can leave it there until everything must have cooled down completely. Bring this down and then allow to cool so that you don't burn your hands. Apologies, I lost the clip where I strained this, but you guys already know how to strain your herbal mix. Just use a strainer, cheesecloth, and then a bowl to collect the filtrate. Whichever you have, use it. Transfer it into your applicator bottle like this, or your oil bottle like this. Apply it on your scalp. If your hair is shedding, if you have bald spots, apply on your scalp. If your hair is shedding, apply on the hair and also on the tips. If your hair have been stuck at same hair length for years, apply this oil on your scalp and follow up with massages. Make sure to massage this oil every day. If you're on protective style, please use this oil on your scalp until you take down your protective style. You will be amazed at the volume, at the length of your hair. So concentrate this on your scalp every day. Apply on your normal hair when you take down your protective style, or if you're wearing your hair loose, use it to seal in moisture, use it as pre-poo, add it to your deep conditioner. Take advantage of this oil. Use it religiously. Guys, you will be shocked at the results from this oil. I kid you not. Black tea, henna, and hibiscus. Mad combination. Made in heaven. You see all these herbs, like the feedback that I got yesterday from a subscriber on this channel. Oh, it got me tearing up. She told me, Dimma, did you know that some of the herbs that you use on your channel, I was diagnosed and was told that I was going to get a surgery. I came to your channel. I started using your herbs to drink. I just pick some herbs on your channel that you share. I make a tea out of it. I drink these herbs. I went back to the hospital. They told me that everything is gone. Like, I am going to post that email on my story after this video must have gone up. You guys should see the wonder working power of our God. Oh my goodness. She said that she went to the hospital, they checked her, the doctor told her everything is gone. You don't have this again. I've forgotten the name she mentioned, the medical term she mentioned, but I will post this on the community tab so that you guys can go read for yourself. She also mentioned that she has been using these herbs on her bald area and the hair is growing back. She recently purchased our hair growth products on my website www.nyerehaircare.com. Guys, that particular email that I got yesterday made my day and I'm very grateful. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give me a like, share this video and subscribe, and I will see you on my next one shortly. Remain blessed. Bye.